Hello friend, welcome to my Excel video channel. Many of you have asked that if I run the user form, so I can't open any Excel file, but now I will discuss on such tricks that the user form will be opened and the second Excel file will also be opened. Also, you can see the report of everything and you can edit it if you want. Let's discuss the details live now. I am generating a report here. Here is all the data you can see from 1 to 14 number. I will generate a report on this. When I click on print report, then it will be printing. Now the exiting printing file is saved. On the screen you can see that the file has been saved. This is Excel file. Here is user form. But here is the Excel file. Here I can do any data entry, edit and print everything. Excel has a many function as I can use here. This magical method I will show you in next video how you can open Excel file and user form together and use to especially stay healthy everyone.